Hello, my name is Rachel Rhodes. I'm a senior studying communications at Western Oregon University. I'm here to take WOU admitted students through a quick tutorial on how to apply for Western scholarships. First, let's go to your WOU portal and click on the scholarship icon on the upper right-hand side. This is where you will go to review and apply for WOU scholarships. After you click on the icon, you will see any applications you have in progress. When you click on the Opportunities tab, you can see the scholarships we have available. Scholarship opportunities are listed alphabetically on this home page. You can also use the search bar to look for specific scholarships. Right now, let's go ahead and search for the Diversity Scholarship. Click on the link and you're able to see a description of the scholarship and the scholarship criteria. Let's go back to applications. After you fill out your application, remember to submit and finish the application. If any errors occurred, they will show here. These errors will need to be addressed before you're able to submit your scholarship application. The deadline for the general scholarship is March 1st. You can see some other key deadlines here. I hope this short tutorial helps you learn a little bit more about how to apply for scholarships here at Western. If you have any questions, please contact WOU Financial Aid at wou.edu/finaid. Thanks for watching.